Hey there, this is your Avon lady, Chris Arnold, with your product picks and preview for campaign 22 of 2018. And first up, we have our new women's fragrance. We always have a new women's fragrance every year in the holiday season, and we're actually getting it a little earlier than normal this year, so you can kind of get it and enjoy it all through the fall and the winter, because it is a very fall scent. It's called Velvet, and this is the bottle. Very pretty. Very simple bottle, has a nice velvet cap, so you kind of get that velvet experience. And it's has a top note of fig, a mid note of rose, and a base of patchouli. So it's a very nice fall into winter scent. It's not too heavy. It's a kind of it's a really nice balance of that. The fig is not like a super fruity smell. And the rose is not an overly sweet, flowery smell in this one. That patchouli kind of helps keep it all kind of even and soft without being a very, I know a lot of people often think of patchouli as a very earthy scent, and this doesn't have, it has that warmth, but it's not that overly earthy scent. The rose and the fig and the patchouli all balance out very nicely. So if you would like to try that out, and you're not already an Avon representative, or don't have an Avon representative, send me a message and we'll see what we can do about getting a sample of that for you so that you may try it. Next up, we have a great addition to our Pink Hope products. And of course, I'm participating in the Making Strides Against Breast Cancer walk here in Las Vegas on the 28th of October. And so all of my sales of Pink Hope products between now and then, I'm donating my profits to that walk. And we have added to our Pink Hope Breast Cancer Kiss Goodbye, in honor of the Kiss Breast Cancer Goodbye portion of our Breast Cancer Awareness Crusade. We have added our True Color Nourishing Lipstick line to our Pink Hope products for the month of October. So this is a great opportunity if you haven't seen any of the other Pink Hope products, because I know a lot of those are jewelry or things that you fashion type items, if you wanted to support that cause but maybe are not into the Pink Hope jewelry. This is a great way you can do that. And there's let's see, what do we have? 12 shades in this one. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 shades. 10 shades in the Nourishing Lipstick. So there's a nice variety of shades there. And the Peony Blush is actually the top selling shade in that line. Let's see, next up, I had to restock one of my personal items, so I figured that would be a great opportunity to share with you about our gel finish top coat. Of course, we do have a full line of gel finish nail enamel colors, and they're a 7-in-1 benefit nail enamel, and they have the same kind of very smooth finish as a gel nail polish without all of the extra steps that you have to take to do like a gel manicure at the salon. But we have the gel finish top coat, which you can use with the gel finish 7-in-1 nail enamel and extend the wear of that. But I also use it over any nail enamels that I'm wearing. And I find the big difference for me with the gel finish nail enamel over other nail enamel top coats is that it does give the nice shiny finish, and I get a much longer wear. I have a really bad problem about I don't sit still and stop using my hands long enough for my nails to dry. But this sets up really fast no matter what nail enamel that I have underneath it. So within about half an hour or so, much faster than normal, I'm back to my normal activities and not really worrying about dinging and smudging my manicure. So I really enjoy the gel finish top coat. Just, I usually get about a week, and then I have to do a little touch up. Not so much for chips. I may have, one little chip on the edge of the nail, but it's actually more of a touch up because the color has grown out and rubbed away from the tips a little bit. So I'll do a quick touch up, just, touch up those areas that need where it's grown out or where it's worn away. Another full coat of the color and another full coat of the gel finish top coat, and I'm good for another week. So I usually get a good 2 weeks out of my manicure with no chips, smudges, or anything else like that. So I really, really like the gel finish enamel top coat, and I really don't tell you about it often enough. So I figured since I had just gotten a new bottle that I would share that. We have a fun new jewelry collection in Campaign 22, and this is our Twice as Nice jewelry collection, and there's several different types, but they're all convertible pieces. So we have convertible rings, convertible earrings, convertible necklaces. So we have, you know, in the earrings, we have like these hoops that you can convert with the little dangle that goes on them. We have different necklaces that we can convert. And this is the convertible Pearly Starburst statement ring. Let's see if we can get that a little bit. Sometimes I got to do this just a little bit differently to be able to see the detail on it. So you can see the pearl center, and then the kind of, let's see, are those CZs or rhinestones? I'm going to say they're faux stones, so they're kind of rhinestones around the outside, but they look really pretty. They've got a nice shine to them. But the convertible part is that you can take out the centerpiece and have just the pearl ring by itself, and you can wear just the jacket by itself and have the little starburst. And that comes in silver tone and gold tone. Of course, this is the silver tone, and then you just slide the ring back in the little jacket there. One of the convertible necklaces is a combination pearl necklace and gold tone chain necklace, and it has a little converter there, so you can convert it from this long necklace with the pearl at the top and the chain at the bottom to a double layered necklace. And then the convertible necklace that I got, and I really like this, comes in silver tone, gold tone, and a rose gold tone. And it's the short to long pendant necklace. So there's the pendant. It's a rose gold tone, in this case, medallion there with the paved stones on the front. And what makes it convertible is it's a nice long necklace, and it has this little piece in the middle with the two little ends so that you can pull it and make it whatever length you want. So of course we usually have extenders on our necklaces that allow us to alter the length of the necklaces somewhat, but this one actually lets you pretty much go from half the length to full length in the necklace. So when you put it on, spread that back out there. Oh, it's pulling on the wrong. And there's a little stopper there to keep it from going too far. So when you put it on, it goes over. And I think this is actually a great option for those who have trouble with a traditional clasp. So you can wear it as a long necklace. You see it's a very nice long, it's kind of getting lost in my bow there, long necklace. But once you have it on, you can take those little pieces in the back, the ends there, and you just pull on those. And you can pull it up to a medium length necklace. Actually, I think I'd go a little bit shorter than that with this top. And you can pull each side. So you can go to a shorter necklace there, or you can slide it all the way till you hit the stoppers, or until it's short enough to be a choker. And if I had done that evenly, you have these little pieces, extra little detail around there. So that's the short to long pendant necklace. And again, this is, like I said, a great option for those who have trouble manipulating the clasp on their necklaces. It might help if I pulled it all the way out and then I can get it back over my head. But and that does, again, come in the silver tone, the gold tone, and the rose gold tone. And there are matching watches for all of those metals as well. Let's see. Next up, we have, or last up actually, we have our A box for this campaign. And we're continuing that velvet theme. So we have the A box itself has the photo is of some velvet ribbon. And we have our eyeshadow single in the blackest black. This makes a great alternative to pencil eyeliner. You can use an eyeliner pencil or an eyeliner brush and use that, or it's a great accent for a smoky eye. It's got the black and green glimmer stick eyeliner. Again, another great alternative to a black pencil. You get a little pop of the green color there. Our matte lipstick in Red Supreme, which is a great, nice, deep red. And then, of course, our A-Box exclusive earrings, and they're also continuing that velvet theme. And as always, our A-Box is $10 with any $40 purchase from the Campaign 22 brochure. So that's what I have for you this campaign. If you want to keep up to date with all things Avon, be sure to hop on over to thoughtsonbeauty.com. And I will see you all again in 2 weeks.